you ever have one of those days when you're feeling overly dramatic? The use of masks in theater is found across cultures and the ages. Thanks to popular events like Comic-Con, masks are gaining in current cultural relevance. This project is one of hundreds of free lesson plans Blick has available on our website. It all starts with a piece of chipboard. Curl the chipboard into a cylinder and secure with tape. To make the top dome, you will cut 4 strips of chipboard and roll them so they curve. Then attach them with tape to the top of the cylinder. After you have the base structure in place, use newspaper, packing paper, bubble wrap, or any other lightweight materials to build features like the eyes, nose, and mouth. Now comes the fun part. Use pieces of plaster cloth in thin layers over the entire surface. Then apply Blick's Mix Instant Paper Mache to smooth cracks and gaps on the mask. When completely dry, apply gesso, which will help smooth out rough areas. Plus, it will seal and prime the surface, making it ready for paint with Blick Acrylics. You can find the shoppable materials list and step-by-step instructions at dickblick.com and search lesson plans to create your very own overly dramatic mask.